Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to log in SJP Bank online banking account. For that, make sure you open one preferred web browser. Here I'm opening Google Chrome. Now at the search bar, you can simply search www.sjpbank.co.uk and press enter. Once you are in this official page, you need to look for another website, that is www.if.com, and press enter. Now you will be led to this kind of interface, and at the top right you can see this login option. You need to click on that. Now here you need to choose your account type. For this video I'll go for this one. Now you will be led to this kind of interface where you need to enter your username and your password. After you are done entering your credential, you can click on continue and you will be logged into your SJP online bank account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.